Today we're going to be doing a repair on this shingle right here. As you can tell, see that crease on it from the wind, even ripped off. There's no creasing on these shingles above it. So let me actually see that. I'll get a good before shot. Pow. It's a good before shot of the shingles above it. No damage. Cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to unseal these ones and then unseal these ones so we can get this shingle out. No need to waste time. Yeah, I just ripped that spot. I want to make sure we get it done as smooth as possible. That's it. Okay. Come on, man. I see that one. Unseal it. That shingle. Being very gentle as you can be with these. Try to feel some of the granular loss. So this is unsealed. This one's unsealed. This one's unsealed. This one's unsealed. Okay, cool. Came with that roof snake. Cool. All right, so now, just to show y'all, boom, good old classic roof snake. We're gonna go in here and we're going to locate the nails, and then we're going to with the roof snake. I'm not being too rough, being gentle as you can, not lifting it up past that 45-degree angle. We do need to lift it up a little bit in order to locate those nails. And they are very brittle. That one just ripped through. We got one more up here. You can already start to see some creasing starting to begin. Even right there. Let me see that. You can see some creasing beginning right here. Some right there, and then right there already. Yeah, back to the all right. Got my Hey Dude Janine. And got that one unsealed. Let's see here. Got those out. Now we just need to come up here and get these nails out. Let's see where it's at. Oh, can you show that, Terry? That just ripped. Again, I'm not lifting it up high at all. Just enough to. You have to lift it up to locate the nail that's under it. keeping it lower than that 45-degree angle. Again, starting to rip and tear. Can I see that?
Yeah.
And we have to lift it up a little bit to locate the nail. We're keeping it lower than a 45-degree angle. I'm gonna get some coffee after this or something. I might need another energy. Alright. It's starting to rain. Okay. There's another one. You can see this whole thing is just honestly just starting to fall apart. You can see. You can hear the granules starting to trickle. Need to come up here and grab. Dang it. Starting to rain, bro. What you think?
It's up to you, man.
Man, we might have to just come back out here.
We might have to, yeah.
Crap.
We don't need to be pouring down raining with it being this steep and you having those shoes on. We'll just have to redo it, I guess.
Yeah, we will. Okay, cool. Well, let's just